Hi, today's Thoughtful Thursday, and the topic, do you have diet amnesia? This is a Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor. We have 3 minutes of truth, mindset, and metabolic freedom. Okay, so you're missing the bread, the wine, the popcorn. For me, it's the tortilla chips. That's normal. But don't forget the bloating, the cravings, the joint pain, the exhaustion. That's diet amnesia. And it's sneaky. It makes you question the very thing that's healed you. So here's today's nugget. I know it sounds a little cliche, but I'm going to ask you to do this. I want you to write down 3 things that have improved since you started eating a low carb diet and put it where you'll see it, on the fridge, on the bathroom mirror, or some place that you're going to visit frequently throughout the day to remind you. I keep my own reminder list because sometimes even I forget. I miss pizza. Pizza is the perfect food. Until I remember how inflamed and stiff the one joint in my hand is and my ankle. We have to remind ourselves that we're not depriving ourselves, we're protecting ourselves. Every no is a yes to something better. So today's strategy is reflecting. And I want you to think about these things when you have a big challenge coming up. Maybe you're going to a birthday party. So keeping this fresh in your memory is helpful. I want you to keep a non-scale victory list this week. Write down the moments of clear thinking, better sleep, or less joint pain. And keep it. Keep it where you can go back and visit it again. Or keep it in a little notebook that you keep in your pocket or your purse and bring it out when you're getting challenged. Let your progress be louder than your nostalgia. Let's keep moving forward together. I know you've got this.